It doesn't look like it's much warmer today. Since the electricity down here in Norway is so expensive these days, we have to get some wood. And as you can see, I don't got a lot of wood left, so I have to fix that. I'm taking out this bad boy. Or maybe it's not really a bad boy, because this is the smallest chainsaw still got. It does the job though. You can see some of, just to compare. Now it's just cleaning up and chopping it all up. Yay! The fun part. The fun part is taking it down, not this. I really do need a new chainsaw. This one is just too small. It takes forever. And I also wish that I had an ATV, so I didn't have to carry all the logs. On the good side, this is today's workout. I'm gonna call it a day for a timber log, timber jack, firewood, whatever you want to call it, work. I'm done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all the debris though. Burn it? I don't know.